To send money on Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you are logged in, tap on the Payment tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Pay or Request Money option. Enter the recipient's name, phone number, or email address in the search bar, and select their name from the list of results. If the recipient is not a Venmo user, you can still send them money by entering their phone number or email address. Next, enter the amount you want to send, and add a note to describe the payment. This is a great way to keep track of what the payment is for, and it will also help the recipient understand what the payment is for. You can also add emojis or other characters to the note to make it more personal. After you have entered the amount and note, select the payment method you want to use. You can use a credit or debit card, a bank account, or your Venmo balance to fund the payment. If you are using a credit or debit card, you will need to enter the card details and verify the payment. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, including the recipient's name, the amount, and the payment method. If everything looks good, tap the Pay button to send the money. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received a payment from you, and they can then transfer the money to their bank account or use it to make a purchase. It is worth noting that Venmo offers a number of security features to protect your transactions, including encryption and two-factor authentication. Additionally, Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service, which means that the money is transferred directly from your account to the recipient's account, without the need for intermediaries. Best practices for sending money on Venmo include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your account information up to date, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to send money quickly and securely.